Hey plant lovers, welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into a colorful lineup of 6 flowering houseplants that will turn any indoor space into a mini garden paradise. Whether you have a sunny windowsill, a bright living room, or a cozy corner, these beauties are easy to care for, and they reward you with non-stop blooms. Why flowering houseplants? Flowering indoor plants do more than look pretty. They lift the mood, purify the air, and can even help reduce stress by adding a splash of nature to your daily routine. Plus, many of them are compact, making them ideal for apartments or homes with limited floor space. Plant 1. African violet. The African violet is a classic choice for beginners. Its petite rosette of fuzzy leaves produces clusters of violet, pink, or white flowers that bloom almost year-round. Place it in bright indirect light and keep the soil lightly moist but never soggy. A simple trick is to water from the bottom using a saucer so the leaves stay dry and avoid leaf rot. Plant 2. Callichrysanthemum. Callichrysanthemum, also known as the pot mum, bursts into a dome of bright yellow, orange, or red flowers. During the cooler months, it thrives in bright light and cooler temperatures around 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings and feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 weeks to encourage a second flush of blooms. Plant 2. Callichrysanthemum. Callichrysanthemum, also known as the pot mum, bursts into a dome of bright yellow, orange, or red flowers. During the cooler months, it thrives in bright light and cooler temperatures around 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings and feed with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 weeks to encourage a second flush of blooms. Plant 4. Bromeliad. Bromeliads bring a tropical flair with their striking foliage and vivid inflorescences that can last for months. They prefer bright, indirect light and a well-draining potting. Mix water the central cup regularly and mist the leaves to boost humidity and avoid letting water sit in the cup for too long to prevent rot, and feed with a diluted orchid fertilizer once a month. Plant 5. Anthurium. Anthurium is known for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and bright red, orange, or pink spades that look like sculpted flowers. Place it in medium to bright indirect light and keep the soil evenly moist, but not waterlogged. It loves high humidity and warm temperatures above 65 degrees Fahrenheit. A monthly feed with a balanced houseplant fertilizer will keep the colors vivid. Plant 6. Begonia. Begonias offer a spectacular display of both foliage and flowers. Their leaves can be deep bronze or variegated, while the blooms range from soft pink to fiery red. They thrive in bright indirect lights and appreciate a moist, well-aerated potting. Mix water when the top half-inch of soil feels dry and provide a light feeding of a water-soluble fertilizer every 6 weeks. Caring tips that apply to all. Rotate each plant regularly so every side receives equal light. Watch for common pests like spider mites and aphids. A gentle wipe with soapy water usually keeps them at bay, and always use pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. There you have it, 6 gorgeous flowering houseplants that will keep your home blooming all year long. Try adding a few to your collection and let us know which one becomes your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new gardening tip. Thanks for watching and happy planting.